Hi everyone! Welcome to Human and Nature YouTube channel. Did you know the Amazon rainforest? One of the most breathtaking and vital ecosystems on our planet. Hidden beneath these lush canopies and winding rivers lies an ancient and misunderstood predator, the anaconda. Today, we're uncovering the incredible life of this magnificent snake and its purpose on Earth. Stick around to find out why the anaconda is not just a predator, but a silent guardian of nature. The life of the anaconda, nature's silent guardian. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the rivers twist like veins through a vibrant and untamed jungle, the anaconda reigns supreme. Known as one of the largest and most powerful snakes in the world, the anaconda is more than a predator. It is a key player in the balance of its ecosystem. Its life is a story of resilience, mystery, and purpose, intricately connected to the survival of its environment and, indirectly, to humanity itself. The journey of an anaconda's life of an anaconda begins in the watery embrace of the river. Unlike most snakes, anacondas do not lay eggs. Instead, the female gives birth to live young, a process known as ovoviviparity. A single litter can range from 20 to 40 neonates, each about 2 feet long and fully equipped with the instincts to hunt and survive. These young snakes are born into a dangerous world where predators like caimans, jaguars, and large birds are ever watchful, ready to snatch an unwary juvenile. For the first few years, the young anaconda's life is one of caution and growth. They feed on small fish, frogs, and other manageable prey, honing their ambush hunting skills. Anacondas are masters of patience. They lie motionless for hours, blending into their environment, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. This patience is key to their survival and a trait they carry throughout their lives. As they grow, so does their appetite and their ability to take down larger prey. By the time an anaconda reaches maturity, it can prey on animals as large as capybaras, deer, or even caimans. Their hunting style is methodical and efficient. They use their powerful bodies to constrict and suffocate their prey, ensuring a quick and effective kill. Adult anacondas can reach lengths of 20 to 30 feet and weigh up to 550 pounds, making them formidable predators. They spend much of their time in water, where their massive size is less cumbersome and their movements are graceful and stealthy. Anacondas are solitary creatures, coming together only during mating season. Males compete for females in breeding balls, a spectacle of nature where several males entwine around a single female in an attempt to mate. The purpose of anacondas in their ecosystem. Anacondas are not merely predators, they are regulators of the delicate balance within the Amazon's ecosystem. By preying on animals like capybaras and caimans, they prevent overpopulation, which could otherwise lead to the depletion of vegetation and disrupt the food chain. Their predation indirectly supports plant life by ensuring that herbivore populations remain under control, allowing vegetation to thrive and sustain other forms of life. Additionally, anacondas contribute to nutrient cycling. The remains of their prey often become food for scavengers like vultures, insects, and even fish, ensuring that nothing in the ecosystem goes to waste. In this way, anacondas serve as both hunters and providers, maintaining the flow of energy through the web of life in the Amazon. The connection between anacondas and humans. Anaconda's role in its ecosystem has a profound, if indirect, impact on humanity. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, plays a critical role in regulating the planet's climate. It absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, produces oxygen, and stabilizes weather patterns. By maintaining the balance of species within this vital ecosystem, anacondas contribute to the overall health of the rainforest, which in turn benefits the entire planet. For the indigenous peoples of the Amazon, anacondas hold cultural and spiritual significance. In many tribal myths and legends, the anaconda is seen as a symbol of strength, wisdom, and protection. Some tribes regard the anaconda as a guardian of the river, teaching lessons about patience, stealth, and the importance of living in harmony with nature. Modern science also benefits from studying anacondas. These snakes provide insights into predator-prey dynamics, adaptations to aquatic life, and even medical research. Their ability to survive in extreme environments and their unique physiology inspire innovation in fields ranging from biomimicry to medicine. Anacondas, misunderstood giants despite their ecological importance, anacondas are often misunderstood and feared by humans. They are sometimes portrayed in popular media as monstrous killers, a stereotype that leads to unnecessary persecution. In reality, anacondas are shy creatures that prefer to avoid humans. Attacks on people are exceedingly rare and usually occur only when the snake feels threatened or cornered. Habitat destruction, hunting, and pollution pose significant threats to anacondas. As wetlands are drained for agriculture or development, these majestic snakes lose their homes and the ecosystems they help regulate are thrown out of balance. Protecting anacondas means protecting the entire web of life they support, from the smallest insect to the towering trees of the rainforest. A lesson in coexistence with anaconda's presence on Earth serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life. Its role as a predator, ecosystem regulator, and cultural symbol highlights the intricate relationships that sustain the natural world. Humanity's connection to the anaconda is not one of direct interaction, but of shared dependence on the health of the planet's ecosystems. As apex predators, anacondas embody the resilience and adaptability of nature. Their silent, graceful movements through the rivers and their critical role in maintaining balance in their habitat make them guardians of the Amazon's biodiversity. Protecting creatures like the anaconda is not just about saving a single species, it is about safeguarding the planet's future. Their story teaches us that every creature, no matter how fearsome or misunderstood, has a purpose. By preserving their habitats and respecting their place in the natural world, we ensure the survival of countless species, including our own. In the stillness of the Amazon's waters, the anaconda glides, a silent sentinel, a reminder of nature's wisdom, and a testament to the beauty of life's interconnected design. The anaconda's life is a story of resilience, balance, and the interconnectedness of all living things. From its vital role in the ecosystem to its cultural and scientific significance, this snake is more than just a predator, it's a symbol of nature's wisdom. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of the anaconda. If you enjoyed this story, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for more wildlife adventures. Together, let's celebrate and protect the wonders of our planet. See you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone, and take care.